you ever been to a platform where you wanted to use a certain service on the platform and you are being asked to enter your card details for a free trial before you can be able to get full access to that service or a thing that you're looking for? Well, you are at the right place. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can be able to bypass that and then be able to get the service that you want from those platforms. So without wasting much of your time, let me go ahead and then show you how everything is done. So first, we are going to be opening our browser and then visiting this website here called NeaPay.com. I'll be leaving the link to it in the video description or the pinned comment section for an easy access. So once you get on the home page of this website, I want you to go to the sidebar over here, and then from the sidebar you will see two sections. I want you to click on each drop down, and then from the drop down you'll find other tools over here which you can use, but we are going to be utilizing this one over here called Card Generator Validator. So I want you to click on that, and then once you click on that, it will take you to this page over here. From this page, scroll to the section which says generate a test credit or debit card number. So from that section, you click on the drop down box over here and then select the kind of card that you want, ranging from Visa card all the way down to RuPay, but I will be going with the MasterCard over here. So once you select the card that you want or the card type that you want, I want you to click on the generate card button over here, and then that is going to generate you with the card number which it is being shown over here. Then also, if you scroll down to the bottom over here, you are going to be shown the card number, the card CVV, and then the card holder's name, and then some other information which you can use and then bypass the free trials on those kind of platforms. So that is simply it. If you find the video helpful, please subscribe, like the video, and then subscribe to the channel. We are on our way to 2000 subscribers.